sun comes out for 2 minutes. We stripped all the front end down now. I say all the front end. What we stripped off today? Hubs, brake discs, subframe. So you have to strip all the steering rack off this because he wants to get this all back to looking like new. See the ABS sensor wiring on there. An ABS ring. So his plan for today is to try and clean up as much of the engine bay as he can. Look at that, you wouldn't believe that bolt there's holding up the whole car, would you?
As long as these bottom bits are clean, for now, you can always get to it back over here and fucking on top. After, if you know what I mean. It's proper special stuff it is. I think it's come from Aldi or something like that.
Is it Aldi stuff? Oh, I've been domesticated by the missus, mate, we'll be alright.
Waterless, triple wax, wash and shine.
Waterless triple wax, what is it? Oh, beauty. An average family car could take no more than 15 minutes to clean. You know how you like cleaning chemicals normally smell like bubblegummy? This smells like shit, mate.
And the wet paint?
Mine the wet paint? Where's the wet paint? Fucking hell, now he tells me there's wet paint.
12 years, you know? I did a MOT check last night.
12 years off the road, like?
2009 was the last MOT.
What is it with 12 years being the... That's the same as ours, yeah. And that Golf. Yeah. What happened in 2009? Was it the Great Recession or something? Must have been. It's looking pretty clean now. Like I say, we've only spent about 10-15 minutes just giving it all a wipe down, all in the little nooks and crannies. Anywhere where Roger's find where it's untreated metal, you just give it a quick blast with the primer. So obviously it's all got to be sprayed yet. So yeah, it looks pretty clean actually. That's what will be the wax in the solution will do, isn't it? Just give the front bumper a quick white round as well. Make it look like it's beloved by someone. Hopefully now we've got to move the engine from point A to point B. Hey, oh, you've already fucking moved it 2 inches, look.
As far as I'm going.
Is that your commitment, is it? It says it's chested it in the system, it fucking will be after we move this. So he's got to move the Golf so we can get the engine on the hoist round to the front of the car. Hey, it'll need new some.
It just polishes it up.
You do not know that, what am I doing? Size gearbox and stuff.
Yeah. Facing the back.
Yeah, I ain't had that. It's like right, isn't it? Whoa! Okay, yeah, you're still alright. We could do shunting it forwards a little bit, look. Still clear, like I just stopped too early. But we could do shunting it this way a little bit, couldn't we? If you're new to Crunchin Gearz, we like lifting with sketchy ropes. That's it. That's all. You fucking pulled it. Keep going?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Go. More. Go on. Right on.
So you can see as we were lifting, he's lined them two studs up with the holes on the chassis, so that engine mount's already in place. It's just this end where the gearbox mounts are that he's looking for the bolts for at the moment. We'll just push that into position, which lines up with them holes that you just opened up before. Still got to get Roger's rally car on the channel, yeah? Viewers haven't even seen it, Rog, mate.
I haven't seen it for years. It's been used as a fucking shelf.
Tell them the story of why it wouldn't start.
I left ECU and they weren't airing covers. Try pushing it back.
Yeah.
Oh, a bit further back. No, sorry, forward.
That never went in that easy.
Just give it a wiggle.
Give it a wiggle. Ooh. That does 2 and 3, and that does 1 and 4. Yeah. So do you want to strip this down now then, Rog? We can clean it up, get it ready for paint then, can't you? So what are you going to do if I do that?
Go for shit.
Yeah, go for shit. You know I'm going to fucking cut this bit out anyway. These are COVID safe sweets, these Starbursts, because they're individually wrapped. Bet they're fucking laughing now in the Starburst factory, mate. We fucking knew it. We knew it. That's not a fucking steam train.
Back up in the air.
10 is rare as rocking horse shit, isn't it?
What?
10 is rare as rocking horse shit. It is, isn't it? 10 mil anything right here is like fucking good enough. Check out where the cool kids hang out. Here's all the 10 mils, look. Fucking others are all here. Ready? So that's it then. Great. You know what they say, third time lucky. Can't wait for the third one. Fair play. Didn't take too long to put that back in. Still got to strip the doors down yet, haven't we? That'll be a...
Not this weekend, but next weekend I want it ready to go.
So, not this weekend, next weekend. So that gives us about 11 days. 11 days and Rog wants it done, away, ready to go and get resprayed. So we've got quite a bit of work to do between now and then. So make sure you are subscribing and liking the videos if you do. Much appreciated. And we will catch you on the next one.